Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to cook a whole spatchcocked chicken on the grill. And I'm telling you right now, man, when I did this, I wasn't ready. I was really blown away by how good this came out. So the first step in spatchcocking or butterflying a chicken is to cut the spine out. So basically we're just gonna go right up one side of the spine and then do the same thing on the other side and just pull that spine right out of there. Next step is to flip it over. And then what you're gonna do is take one hand and put it over the top of the other like you're giving chest compressions and just push down on that breastbone until you hear it pop. So now it is time for what I think is the most important step in this recipe, and that is the dry brine. You're gonna need some kosher salt for this step, and I'm just gonna sprinkle the salt evenly all over the chicken, top and bottom. Once that's done, you put your chicken on a drying rack like I have here. Place that drying rack on a cookie sheet and then put the whole thing in the fridge and leave it there for at least 2 to 3 hours. So after the dry brine is done, it's time to season the bird and get it on the grill. Now make sure you season both the top and the bottom, and your grill setup, you want your coals all on one side and you want to put your bird on the other side. That's called indirect cooking, and it's the most fail-proof way to get most things done on the grill.